Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this nice looking remote. This is the 2021 CR3 Backlight replacement Bluetooth remote control in IR learning, which is mixed with wireless keyboard for your FireTV and FireTV sticks. Plus, this will also work on your Android TV boxes. Let's go through and check it out. I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family, and make sure you click the notification icon, select all, in order to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We'll have to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly with a little more detail every time. So here you go. This is how the box really looks. It's very simple. Doesn't have much writing, but once you go to the back, it has some information. And on one side of it, you will see what you can do with this remote, and the other side of it, it just says which operating system this is compatible with. All right, enough said. And once you open it, and take everything out, here are all the components that are part of this box. So it comes with this user manual, which has all of the buttons covered, which we will cover in this video, and also go next, all the functions, how you will be able to play with it. There is a little section that you can open and put the 2 AAA batteries, and also the specification. Go next, how to pair it automatically, and also IR learning is all captured here. And there is more information about FAQs, how you will be able to pair this with your Fire TV, and go next. So there are some little spots that you can leave some notes, but all of the information's in this. And here is the remote. It's sitting inside of a plastic, and once you open it and you take it out, it has a plastic on top. So this way it doesn't get damaged. And let's take that out too. And here is the remote itself. How nice it really looks. Going in the back, you have the full keyboard, the part that you have to open, so you can put 2 AAA batteries. Now I have to mention that this is Bluetooth, so we will show exactly how you will be able to pair this with your Fire TV or FireTV Stick. But let's capture this first. Going around, you have the IR sensor on the top. Now going on each side, you don't have much. It is made out of plastic. Going on the bottom also, it is just regular. There's nothing actually involved. You can see that. Now going on the other side of it, nothing there. But now when you go to the back part, you have the full keyboard and the part that will open, so you can put the 2 AAA batteries. We will get to that in a few seconds too. And then go into the front part from the top. You can see it's so nicely designed. You have the power button, then the LED indicator, and then you have the mute button. Now going on the bottom part of it, you have the home button, return key. You have full 4-way navigation key with the OK in the middle. Then you have the menu button, your rewind button, play and pause, and fast forward. Now going right at the bottom of it, I really like that design that they have done, the volume up, volume down. And this part says page up, page down. Now you also have the TV button, the at button, and go into numeric buttons. You also have a delete and a pound sign right at the bottom of it, or all the colored buttons. And that's how it really looks. Alright, enough said about it. Let's put 2 batteries in the back. Now yes, we have mix matched the actual batteries. So now in order to connect this to your Fire TV or Fire Stick, you have to make sure that you open the back of your remote and take the battery out. So I will just remove one. And there you go. That means it's got disconnected. And the next thing you have to do is take the power out. And then we wait a few seconds, and then you re-plug it. And there you go. Now we wait till the Fire TV boots up. And then once it starts turning on, we have to make sure that we have a remote on hand, and we wait. Now once it goes to the main screen, we have to give it at least 1 minute before we can play with the actual remote. And then once the 1 minute is done, you're going to grab your remote, and then on the remote there is a little home button that you have to hold for at least 10 seconds. And you're going to see that little red light flashing. You see that? It's rapidly flashing. and then it should get paired with your TV. And then you have to place this near to your FireStick or FireTV. And then once it got paired, that's it. You see that? It's how easy it is for you to play with it. So now you will be able to play with your FireTV very easily. That is awesome. Now I can go through and play with my FireTV by just clicking the next button. You see that? And now I will be able to play around with all of the functions that they offer on the FireTV or FireTV Stick. There you go. Now it's working perfectly. So if I have to go to one of the accounts, something like Netflix, and I select it, now make sure that you have a subscription for this in order to sign in. So now I want to find a video, so I will just select it. And now it takes me to select either by the numbers or by the letters that it shows on the top, or I can use the actual remote and I can type anything I want. So let's look for Goodfellas. And it just shows up right in the bottom. I can use this to select my movies and press enter, and then it will come up. As easy as that. So this remote works perfectly with the actual FireTV or FireTV sticks. So this is something pretty cool in order to play with. So here's another really cool thing. Now I have a CR3 TV, and this TV is readable with the IR sensor. Now remember that if your TV is a smart TV, or if you have the latest version of LG or Samsung OLEDs or QLEDs, this remote would not work. So make sure that your TV has an IR indicator. Now in order to pair your remote with your TV remote, make sure they're facing each other. And then number one, what you need to do is press the TV button, this one right here, and then the power button for 1 second. So hold it, there you go. And then you're going to see that it went solid. Now you have to put it in front of the actual remote, and the IR is right over here. So we're going to face it up like this, and then we're going to press this button and then this button. So this way it learns. And once it's paired, you have to press the power button to test it out, and you can see that it turns it off. As soon as I click on it again, it turns on. This is how easy it is to program your remote with your TV. All the links will be available where you can order this from, and if you need more help, please ask at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out. Except that, I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is exitex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places. And thank you.